Tired of spending hours merging data set and creating charts in Excel? Hi, my name is Rebecca. When I left consulting in 2019, I had no idea what VLOOKUP was. My Excel skill was basically basic from some subtraction, division, find, and replace. But everything changed when I joined a corporate. I quickly realized that my colleagues, having to task with generating learning reports for management, got to spend their weekends joining data sets together and producing charts. It's quite frustrating to see them taking a lot of time in manual processes. That is where, in my quest for efficiency, I stumbled upon Power BI. This powerful tool changed the way I work. From a very simple drag and drop, it allows you to create stunning charts in a fraction of the time, like 30 minutes compared to 1 hour using pivot tables and pivot charts. There's also a Power BI built-in Power Query function that make joining data sets much easier. So I also transitioned from static charts on PowerPoint to producing interactive reports with stakeholders during my meetings. I could easily pull in data sets together to actually give a more enriched reporting. A bit on my learning journey, I enrolled in Power BI classes wanting to accelerate my learning. While the classes helped, I often found myself lost and unable to recall some of the important concepts after the class. While I try to write an email to the trainer to clarify some of my questions, I often get a reply saying that I might have to attend the next class or to go for a refresher course, and that adds to my frustration. So I began to do my own self-study by going into the on-demand tutorial and also asking around. And that's why I created the 60-minute Power BI Essential course. In this hands-on practice, you get to work with real-life dataset to create your very own Power BI report. And it doesn't stop there. You also get a 3 months email support. You get to share your Power BI reports and dataset together with myself, and we will troubleshoot and refine the work. The support I felt is missing in the industry, and I'm committed to walk this journey with you in the next 3 months. So join me to transform your relationship with data and become a confident data storyteller in your next board meeting. Ready to get started? Sign in right now and take the first step towards mastering Power BI. See you.